Hello friends, here are a few things you can try to fix friend request not working in HellDivers 2. Okay, so first thing is restart the system. Okay, whether you are playing it in PS4, so you can restart the system. Second is you can check down detector. Okay, so whether Hellfire is down is or not, so you can check here real-time problem and outrage monitoring. Third is double check the friend code, so you can check again your friend's code before requesting or friend request, so you can check it. So double check the friend code, and again you can also restart the game. HellDivers 2, you can restart the game, and after that I think hopefully your problem will be solved. So thanks for watching. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.